Hello?
You have reached Central Revenue Service. How can I help you?
Yes, I was talking with the woman and we got disconnected. She was telling me my case file number and stuff.
Well, when did you receive the call?
Well, I received it like 5 minutes ago, and I just called and we got disconnected somehow.
Okay, am I speaking with now?
Yes, this is Neil.
Hey, Miss Nell, now, can you please grab a pen and paper?
Yes, I already got that. She gave me the case file number, which was KC5109.
KC5. What did you say?
It was KC5 109.
Okay, well, Miss Nell, now do not interrupt me and listen to me very carefully, okay?
Okay.
I process with your case paper. This line are being recorded by the Jewish members and monitored by the Sheriff Department from the
The juice
and
members?
one.
You said the juice members?
Yeah, Jewish members from the and one patrolling officer from the IRS and one patrolling officer from the FBI.
Oh, okay. Excuse me, I got the hiccups.
It's okay, me too.
Yeah.
Well, Mr. Now, I want to resolve the matter inside the courthouse or I want to resolve the matter outside the court.
Well, I don't want to go to the goat house. There's a lot of, I don't want to have to deal with the jury members and the. What do you mean? I don't understand the lawsuit. I mean, you're not. What do you mean in the courthouse outside the goat house? I'm confused.
Yes, in the year of 2011 to 2016, who filed your taxes?
I had a CPA do it.
Okay, there was a miscalculation under your name and we found that you paid a less amount to the IRS.
Well, should I call my CPA, Crunch Nuts Incorporated?
No, no.
No?
Do not disclose. No, do not disclose. Third party, okay?
Okay.
And this is
Excuse
about
me.
the case matter. Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, I can hear you. I'm sorry. I got a little,
Okay, this is about the case file number, okay?
Okay.
Okay, if you are not willing to resolve this case within 1.5 hours, then you are arrested by the Sheriff's Department.
Arrested? What do you mean arrested?
As, well, Mr. Now, resolve this case.
Well, I need to resolve it, but I don't understand what's wrong. Did I not pay the money right, or what happened? I don't understand. Do I owe money? Am I getting money back? I don't understand. Why arresting?
Now, then you have to pay the amount of $9,580 to the IRS.
How much?
$9,580, which is still unpaid by you.
And for what years was this?
For the amount of 2011 to 2016.
2011 to 2016.
Yes.
I mean, should I call, I don't know what, that's a lot of money to owe. It's not that I have the money. I don't see, I never got anything in the mail or anything came to me. I would have straightened this out a long time ago. Excuse me.
Mr. Nell, that's why we're calling you, okay?
Okay, can you explain what I can do? How do I just go to the IRS office and pay? Excuse me.
Okay, me too. Well, Mr. Nell, I want to resolve this case. Do you have such amount with you?
Yes, I have the money, but I need to know where the mistakes were made.
Okay, then just hold on a moment. Let me transfer to senior officer. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I have the hiccups too.
Let me transfer to senior officer. They will explain you each and everything, okay?
Okay.
Okay, just hold on a moment.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, hello?
Yes, thanks for holding the line. Your call has been transferred to Senior Officer George Miller from the Treasury Department. I believe I'm speaking with Neil.
Yes, and Neil and Blomy?
Yes, Neil and Blow Me. All right, how are you doing today?
I'm doing okay. I was just talking to Officer Hiccup, and he was telling me about my that I have to give
Officer.
$9,580.
Sorry, his name was Officer Hiccup.
Yeah.
Well, I think his name is David Johnson, not Hiccup.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wrote the name down, Hiccup. I'm sorry. I wrote that name. I see it here.